Hello everyone. Today I'm going to demonstrate the steps on how to set up a working environment in order to run a team project in programming system and development. So first of all we need to install Python in our system. For that we will go to python.org. Here we'll download the appropriate version of Python. We'll run the exe file. This process takes a couple of minutes. Okay, the setup was successful. Now we have successfully installed Python 3.9.2. Now the next step is to install PyCharm. This is the IDE that we have used. For that we will go to JetBrains. Let us see where we can find our PyCharm. Here it is. Make sure that you are using the Windows. And on the second thought, let's download the professional version for better experience. Let's click on next. This is the destination where our directory will be stored. Will be the destination folder. You can also change your destination. Install. Now the installation process will still you will require a couple of minutes. Now all the required libraries are installing. We can see the details here. Okay, so PyCharm is installed completely, and the setup is done. Now if you want, you can click select the run PyCharm, this checkbox, if you want to run directly. Otherwise you can simply click on finish to complete the process. As you can see here on my desktop, a shortcut has been created. Now the PyCharm will load successfully. Now as it is a professional version, so I have to add my account details, but right now I will select to evaluate for free. This will give me a 30-day trial period. Here you go.